Universal moral constructs. The mission. The intersection of ethics and emotions. The problem. Emotional intelligence is on the decline. EI declined among college students from 2003 to 2018. The average EI score has decreased by 5% since 2014. In 2023, only 18% of people were found to have a high level of emotional intelligence. In 2020, an estimated 14.8 million U.S. adults aged 18 or older had at least one major depressive episode with severe impairment in the past year. Society is becoming more and more polarized. Social polarization is arguably reflected in political polarization. A Pew Research Center analysis finds that, on average, Democrats and Republicans are farther apart ideologically today than at any time in the past 50 years. As we can see in the graph, based on data from 2022, in both Senate and the House, Democrats have become slightly more liberal relative to the era, while Republicans have become much more conservative. The cost of mental health prevention is prohibitive. The total U.S. expenditure for mental health services increased from $112.8 billion in 2005 to $238.4 billion in 2020. At present time, the mental health care budget in the U.S. is over $220 billion, accounting for more than 5% of all healthcare spending in the country. At present time, the average cost of psychotherapy in the U.S. ranges from $100 to $200 per session, with some states generally being more expensive than others. The cost to become a qualified mental health professional is prohibitive. As of now, tuition costs for master's programs in mental health counseling can range from $33,300 to $83,820. These costs, of course, vary based on location, specialization, and individual choices. However, in all cases, they are unaffordable for many individuals who would otherwise want to become mental health practitioners. The solution. Elavamente is a proposed open-source collaboration platform designed to support mental health and well-being. It brings together academics, professionals, and enthusiasts to develop and deliver affordable, accessible training content for prodigies. Additionally, the platform offers certification programs for mentors, including coaches and therapists. The content will be made available under an open-source license, such as GNU or Creative Commons. Universal Moral Constructs draws inspiration from the revolutionary open-source success of the Linux operating system, blockchain technology, and cryptocurrency. At present time, Linux is used by 47% of professional developers worldwide, making it the second most popular development operating system after Windows. Linux powers 85% of smartphones, mostly through the Android operating system, which is based on the Linux kernel. More and more people are using blockchain wallet. Only 0.07 million people were using such a wallet in 2012, while 85.05 million people were doing so in 2022. According to data from 2022, 80% of global executives view blockchain as very important for their organizations, and 55% of them have already implemented blockchain projects or plan to do so within the next year. This suggests that blockchain is gaining recognition and adoption among business leaders across various industries and sectors. The cryptocurrency market, which exists on blockchain, has grown to a market capitalization of a fluctuating $2.65 trillion. The goal for Elavamente is to make access to mental health support and certification more affordable and accessible.